Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have some new Huda Beauty makeup here for you. So these are the new Huda Beauty Bomb Brows Full and Fluffy. So this is the packaging here. And I have the shades Soft Black, Black Brown, and Rich Brown. I wasn't expecting this package to come in, so if my makeup looks wonky, sorry. I've never done lip liner faster in my life, so I'm sure these are really off-center. But this is what the wand looks like here. So if you look close enough, it looks like there's little fibers in here that build the brow up. I like the micro wand aspect of this, that you can really get in there. The reason why I typically don't use any kind of brow product that has color to it is they have like the thicker wand and then I just feel like it gets really messy. As I'm swatching this for you, I really like how this is a buildable formula. Like it's taken me a little bit to actually turn this into a swatch, which is great. That way it's kind of like goof proof. So we have soft black, black brown, and rich brown. That one's a little messy. I think I'm gonna go in with soft black because I like more of a cool tone brown. I'm realizing that I'm really low in here. Let me zoom you guys in. I'm reading Huda's hacks here, and it says for step 1 that you should brush the brows upward to sculpt and create the shape. Going for more of like a straight brow. And it says for step 2 that you should fill in the excess areas with the microshade pencil. And luckily I do have that one. If you guys don't have this one, you could use any kind of brow pencil. But this is the Huda Beauty Bomb Brows Microshade Brow Pencil in soft black. I'm glad that I actually have the soft black one, so this one will go with that shade that we just put down. But that fiber gel did give me a lot to work with. I feel like it's making doing my brows a lot easier. I always find this to be the trickiest step. And then it says to go in with the spoolie on the other side to kind of blend it out. But I'm gonna go back in with the original brow product just to build them up a little bit more. I mean, you guys can see the difference. I really like this. I am shocked because I normally don't like products like this, but that really built up the brow and I like using it before and after. I think that was a really good method. But if you guys wanted to follow Huda's hacks to like a T, you would just use the spoolie side of the brow brush to brush it out after you use the liner. Now I'm just doing the other brow. I do feel that this is very user-friendly. Unlike other colored brow gels. Not that this is a brow gel, this is, well, I guess it's a fiber gel. But like I was saying, other colored gels, they have that chunky wand and it's just impossible to get in there. And I feel like you have to practice so much to be able to do it quickly. Whereas this one's pretty like boom, boom, boom. And then you just go in and perfect it with a brow pencil. But I do feel like it gives you that natural base for a fluffy brow look without already having to have fluffy brows. And I'm just gonna finish it out using that fiber gel just to continue to build upon it. I just really love this. I feel like it just gives you that natural fluffy brow. Let me know what you guys think of these. Right, let me just read a little bit about this product. I'll zoom you guys out for this one. Huda's hunt for a brow product that can tame super thick hair is officially over. Say hello to her brow's new bestie. New full and fluffy fiber gel. It's conditioning, creamy, and lightweight. It has a vegan formula that has tiny hair-like fibers that immediately boost volume while tinting, and adding thickness for fuller, fluffier brows that stay in place all day. So I didn't realize that. So I guess it's also like a brow gel in one. The precision spoolie applies just the right amount of product to make it so easy to enhance your natural brow shape without making them look blocky or drawn on, which, I mean, they definitely look good. I think I did a better job on the second one than I did on this one, but I think I just like this eyebrow more. but I gave this one more of like a fluffy look to it, and I think that that's really easy to be done with this. I could even probably just go back over this one and just kind of zhuzh it, you know? I just love this product. It's just such a good job. And this is available in 8 universal shades. It's super slim, spoolie, gives you full control to target sparse areas, gives your brows a flexible hold that doesn't feel stiff or crunchy. It's infused with vitamin E, castor oil, coconut oil, and cypress oil. Oh my God. So this is waterproof, long lasting, and sweat, humidity, smudge, and transfer proof. Holy crap. It's also complete with FSC certified 100% recyclable carton, which 100% is almost unheard of. I actually don't know if I've heard of any other brand doing that. I know that Huda has been doing 100% recycled, but I mean, I think she's really new to the game there. This product is $19, by the way. I definitely think that it's worth it. I feel like this will last you a while. There's a lot in here, and like I showed you guys, you really only need a little bit. I really love this color. The soft black really blends into my hair, so if you have like a similar hair color to mine, I have almost like a natural black, I guess, is my hair color, or like a really dark, like cool tone brown. I also just got my hair done today. That's why I wasn't expecting to film a video. So look at this. Look at these money pieces. Hell yeah. But let me know what you guys think of the Bomb Brows Full and Fluffy, and let me know what you think of the Bomb Brows Full and Fluffy swatches. I really try to do a good job. It's just, I mean, what are you gonna do with the spoolie? I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys. Sorry this was like a super short one, but hopefully it was straight to the point. And yeah, give this video a like if you liked it. That really helps me out. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.